He literally has his own TikTok account with his like personal, and he like shows his face and everything. Five, 16. The 16 stud jump. I don't think 16 is possible. I saw a TikTok of someone stealing fruit from me today. Oh, so mean, so unkind. Ban them. Smack them with the hammer. Smack him with a hammer. Oh, Renner just joined. I was kidding. He stole my fruit. I stole his Robux. Probably stole like a crappy fruit, and that's why he's saying it. www. I don't know. It's chocolate rain. Chocolate rain. Some say die while others feel the pain. Chocolate rain. It needs to play. I make an admin abuse command to get rid of the rain. It needs to play the chocolate rain sound, otherwise I'm gonna be disappointed in you, Jandal Pookie. Make rain stop. I don't. It wouldn't let me at all. Bro, I don't think I can. Let's pray it doesn't make everyone. It's the holy chocolate rain. No. Yeah, check the CCU. I'm gonna check CCU as well. That's quite a bit. I mean, not compared to the fucking 8 to 9 million. Wait, hold on. Grant, watch this short right now. Watch this short right now. DJ Jai is gonna come in and do something.
Jandel has gone
Look at the
absolutely
short I just
crazy.
sent in, Crow.
Very late last night during a Blood Moon event, Jandel.
DJ Jai is the guy that did the DJ during the Monster Mash event. That was the big avatar that was up there. And he also leaked something like a day or two ago about the new update, which is about bees. Where I almost made the 16 stud jump. I was in a obby game. It's called like obby runners. Playing with Jack, and it shows what the others are saying. Let me see your wet. Show me your. I need some chocolate stuff. Please, choco some of my melons. Choco that one disco bean I have. Come out to my garden. Oh my god, your black banana is so wet. Wait, hold on. I need to harvest a coconut, and then another coconut needs to be harvested, and then we need to put them next to each other. But Grant, did you watch that YouTube video that says that DJ Jubadoob is coming? Choco mangoes. I want. Oh, I have a chocolate grape. I have 2 chocolate grapes at least. Oh, I have a chocolate moon melon. I mean, no, a chocolate moon mango. My bad. I want this bean to become chocolate. You hear rape grape? No, the chocolate rain it stopped. I got a chocolate moon mango though. Black Anna. I wonder if I got any black bananas.